In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the font size and the screen size in Microsoft Teams. If the text in Teams feels a little too small, or if you just want everything on your screen to appear larger and easier to read, this is a very quick adjustment you can make. The nice thing is that you do not need to dig through a long settings menu. You can do it directly from your keyboard in just a moment. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat area. Once you're inside Teams, make sure the app window is active by clicking anywhere in it. This is important because the keyboard shortcut needs to apply to Teams itself, not to another app or browser tab you may have open in the background. After you're in the Teams chat screen, the next step is to press Control and the equals key on your keyboard at the same time. On many keyboards, this is the same key used for the plus symbol, so you may think of it as Control and plus. When you press that shortcut, Teams will zoom in, making the text and overall interface larger on your screen. This is especially helpful if you're reading long messages, viewing chat threads for extended periods, or sharing your screen and want the content to be more visible. Increasing the zoom can make Teams much more comfortable to use, particularly on high-resolution displays where text can sometimes appear too small. If you want the screen and font size to become even larger, you can press the same shortcut again. Each press increases the zoom level a little more, so you can stop when it feels right for you. Try adjusting it gradually so the layout still feels comfortable and easy to navigate. One helpful tip is to pay attention to how much you zoom in. If the interface becomes too large, some panels may feel tighter or require a bit more scrolling, so the best setting is usually the one that improves readability while still keeping your chats and navigation easy to see. And that's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Teams, go to chat, and press Control plus equals to increase the font size and screen size. It's a simple shortcut, but it can make a big difference in day-to-day use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.